Module 3, Segment 3, Company Management Global Functions. In this training segment, you will learn how to merge company records, assign clauses, set warnings and messages to restrict user activity, and record customer shipping accounts. You will need to be logged into Quantum as the system administrator to perform the company merge. Please note that this training segment assumes that you have already completed Module 1, System Setup, and Module 3, Segments 1 and 2. We will begin by accessing the company record you created in the Module 3, Segment 1 training session. Use your mouse to open the Company Management drop-down menu and select Browse. The Find for Browsing Company Entries window opens. In the Company Name field, type the name of the company you created in the previous training segment. Select OK. The Browsing Company Entries window opens, showing all companies that meet the search criteria. Double-click with your mouse on the line to open the record. The Company Management window for that record opens. First, we'll work with the Company Merge function. This function will combine two company records into one, including all history, and can be used if a company is accidentally entered twice. You will need to be logged into Quantum Control as the system administrator to use this command. You'll begin in the Company Management record to be retained. Select the Global Action button. The Global Options menu opens. Select Company Merge. The Find for Browsing Company Entries window opens. Fill in the appropriate fields and select OK to locate the record to be merged. The Browsing Company Entries window opens. Double-click to select the company. The Company Merge window opens. Verify the information and select OK. A confirmation window opens. Select Yes to proceed. You will be returned to the Company Management window. All history, notes, Rolodex entries, and site entries will have been merged. Now we will assign clauses to the company. Clauses are messages that can be attached to company management records and then printed on documents that get generated for those companies. Select the Global Action button and select Clauses from the Global Options. The Selected Clauses window opens. This window will display all clauses assigned to the company management record. To assign a clause, select Add. The Browse Clauses window opens, listing all clauses that have been created system-wide. To create a clause, select Add. The Adding Clause window opens. In the description field, type in a name for the clause. This name is what will be visible to you when you are looking at the list of clauses. In the area labeled Clause, type the text that you would like to have appear on the documents being generated. Select OK. You will now see the clause you have created in the Browsing Clauses window. double-click on the clause to attach it to the company. The Editing Order Clause window opens. In the Default Use area, select where the clause should be applied. In this example, we will choose Purchase Orders. Select OK. You will be returned to the Selected Clauses window, where you will see your assigned clause. The clause is now attached to the company and will print on the documents selected. Close the Selected Clauses window, and you will be returned to the Company Management window. To add, edit, view, or delete clauses, select the Global Action button and select Clauses from the Global Options menu. Now we will work with warnings and messages. This function allows you to restrict what types of records are created for each company, or set warnings that will be displayed to the user as records are created. To access these functions, select the Global Action button and select Set Warnings and Messages. The Edit Warnings and Messages window opens. Below the company name, you will see the Allow All radio buttons. Selecting the Never radio button here will block all activity for this company. Selecting the Warn radio button will cause a warning window to open each time a user creates any record using this company. After the warning window is closed, the user will be able to continue creating the record. The warning message to be displayed for each record will be keyed into the text areas below that record type. The By Document radio button allows you to make settings for each activity type individually. In this example, we will select By Document. The radio buttons for each activity type will now apply for this company. The Yes radio button will allow activity to proceed. The Warning radio button will display a warning box with the text typed in the box below the radio button displayed. The Never setting will stop this record type from being created for this company. These settings will apply immediately and can be updated as needed. Once you have set the settings, select OK to apply them and close the window. Finally, we will record customer shipping account numbers. We will be able to assign these numbers to customer orders and then print them on packing slips and pick tickets. Select the Global Action button and select Ship Via Accounts. The Browsing Company Ship Via Accounts window opens. To record a shipping account, select Add. The Adding Company Ship Via Account window opens. Select the shipping method from the table-driven Ship Via field. You will be able to record the account number against multiple shipping methods if necessary. Type the shipping account number in the Account Number field. Select OK. You will be returned to the Browsing Company Ship Via Accounts window, where you will see your shipping account displayed. Use the Add button to record additional entries as needed, and close the Browsing Company Ship Via Accounts window when finished. You will be returned to the Company Management window. To add, edit, view, or delete shipping accounts, select the Global Action button and select Ship Via Accounts from the Global Options. To recap what we have learned, we have merged company records, assigned clauses, set warnings and messages to restrict user activity, and recorded customer shipping accounts. You may now proceed to Module 4, Segment 1, Creating a Customer Quote.